Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to whip cream and egg yolks with a butterfly whisk on your ThermoMix TM7. This is the butterfly whisk. In a moment I'll show you how to install it, but before I get to that, let's talk about something important. First of all, it shouldn't, if you use the butterfly whisk, you should never exceed speed number 4 in the manual mode because it may damage your butterfly whisk. So as I get to the manual mode, I could use it to whip cream, egg whites, sometimes egg yolks also need to be whipped. You can do whatever. So set it up to 4, typically 3.5 would be great, and for a few minutes, like 4 minutes for example, for egg whites. Remember that if you're whipping egg whites, if you're beating egg whites, you should make sure that your mixing bowl is very clean and very dry. Any drop of water or any debris may cause your egg whites not to be beaten well. Now let's talk about how to install it. You can simply remove the lid, and then on the inside there's this blade, and on top of the blade there's this sticking out circular part. You can attach this part like that. Then later on, to take it off, it may require a bit more force if you're taking it out after whipping, because with the rotations at some point it'll kind of lock itself. So don't be scared to just pull a bit harder and remove it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.